Hello guys, this is my new paper airplane and I am going to test it out to see how it's flight. You can see that it says 3 stabilizers, and this is necessary to have 3 stabilizers to fly the plane. And the top of the plane is just like a triangle shape, so let's just check it out. Oh wow, it's not bad, right? It still flies straight, so let me go to pick it up. This paper airplane is so new, so there are lots of things for me to improve. Let me show you guys again how it look like. Always hitting the ground like this. Okay, so let me adjust this one too. Okay, let me throw it this way to see how this works. Throw it straight instead of upper at a degree. So just like make a straight throw. Okay. Ow! So it's not working that way. I need to throw it up. Okay. So let me pick it up again and let me test it out. Okay. Let me show you this angle. So try to avoid the sunlight because it's pointing directly to the camera, then you can see it. So hold the plane right here and then throw it up high. Oh! Wow! It's flying, but I realized there need to be elevators to help the plane fly, and if we have the elevators, the plane will fly very well just by looking at how it behaves. So let me pick it up at the end of the wings. I curve it up a bit, okay, and then I hold the paper airplane right here. Let me move over here because I don't want to throw to the water over there. You see the water? Okay, it will get wet and the plane won't fly anymore. So let's hold the plane right here and throw it straight to this angle. Okay, let's show you how it looks up to the sky. Went down and throw. Ooh, you can see that it works much better. So let me know if you want to make this paper airplane or not. This flies okay. I need more time to improve the plane, but anyways, it's working, right? Another way I can do is just increase the elevator a little bit more. Okay, let me do it now. I curve this one a little bit more, this side a little bit more too, and then I'll throw it. Okay, hold the plane right here. Alright, and throw it up high. Okay. Wow, you can see that this works much better. Let me pick it up and show you guys one more time, and I'll let you guys decide whether I make a tutorial for this paper airplane or not, or you want me to improve it even more before I make a tutorial. Okay, very good one. And let me adjust the wings a little bit and walking back to that tree over there, and I'm going to throw it. Okay, it's right here, the plane right here, because I know that is the thing that you want to see. Okay, and I will throw it high and high to see how it's fly. Let me adjust the wings. Okay. Look like the wings are not even anymore. Anyways, I just throw it, and tell me if you want to make it. Like the video, give the comment below. If you don't want to make it, also leave me a comment below. Let me know if you want to make this paper airplane. I'll show you tutorial. If not, just move to the next project. Alright, so let's test it out. Oh, wow, not bad. Okay, so bye for now guys. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.